Hello, this is part 9 of our series of videos about making your first phaser game. I'm following a tutorial from the Phaser website with the same name, so I'm following this tutorial for making the game. This is a tutorial made by Richard Davey, the author of Phaser. Here in this chapter, we are going to add an score text. So each time when you get a star, then you get 10 points. You have to collect the star and you get 10 points and 10 points. So basically, it have a global variable here in this tutorial. It has a global variable to declare a global variable with a score, and you create a score text in the scene. So each time you get a star here in the collect star method, each time you get a star, you increment the score by 10 points and you update the text of the text object. So it is basically what I'm going to do here now in the editor. I look for, this is the editor here. I look for the text object, right here. Let me refresh this, sorry. I have the text. Let me find the text object here. Just because first, before record the video, I make all the steps, and later I record the video, and the editor had a dirty state here. So I refreshed that for starting from the beginning. I add the text here. Score. What tender? Why not? 0, but okay. I will use a prefab for this, as I did for the other objects, for the player, for the star, for the platform. I create a prefab for everybody here. So I will create a prefab for the score. So I encapsulate everything, every question about all functionalities of the score. Let me put it here. The score. Let me change here the size. I want to change also. I want to change the origin. Okay, origin here. Let me adjust it a bit here. Okay, it was 1616, just like this. In 1616, score 0. Now we have our prefab, and why the prefab? I want in the prefab. Let me open Visual Studio Code. I will have here the score, and I will have a method here in the prefab, add a score points, and I will say score plus points. I will add the points to the score, and I will update the text of the prefab. It says score. Okay, now we have prepared our prefab. Let me go here to the level, open Visual Studio Code, and I will say, look, this is missing here. We don't need here because we moved everything to the player. Here in the collect star method, what I will do is, sorry, I have to put this in a class scope, the score text in a class score. I will name it score text. So I will say here a score text, add a score, 10 points. Let's see if this is working. 0, I get, I get, and I get. I think it is working, and I think that's it for this video. Follow this channel, tell me something in the comments, say hello, and like this video. Goodbye.